What's going on here, guys? It's Mike with J&M Pokemon, bringing you another opening to our channel. This is the first time you've met me. You've met my buddy John. We decided to start a Pokemon channel where we bring you guys action-packed pollings. He pulled some pretty good ones, so I'm hoping to live up to his polls. And this is what I've got for you today. It's a 2-pack. I heard from the local card dealer, our shop, that this was a back-to-school edition, and that's why there is a Pikachu eraser. Let's get right into it. Here is the Pikachu eraser. Try to get that to focus for you guys. Alright. So we have a pack of Evolving Skies. A pack of Evolving Skies and Astral Radiance. I'll go ahead and open the Astral Radiance first. Here's a code for you guys. I believe it's 3 from the back. Overquill, Togepi, Chatot, Magnemite, Teddiursa, Sneasel, Drifloon, Samurott, which is not the greatest of pulls, but it's still a pull, so we'll take it. And we have the energy. Let's go ahead with the Evolving Skies. Hopefully we get an Eevee evolution. That would be nice. This is the code for you guys. Whoever wants it can have it. We got Snowleaf Badge, Bravery, Lucky Ice Pop, Bagon, Woobat, Timepole, Psyduck, Eevee. Is that a clue? Could we get the Eevee evolution out of this? Switching cups? Oh, no, that sounds like a jinx. And nothing. Drampa with an energy. Alright, guys, so it looks like the only pulls we had for tonight and this episode is a reverse hollow Drifloon, a hollow Samurott, I believe it is, and a reverse hollow Switching Cups. Thanks for watching, and as always, tune in to next time to see another great video. Thank you.